Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn to display images. To do it, first we will write the same basic format, which is to import Pygame and import the sys module and initialize Pygame library. So now to upload any image, we want the background, and for the background we will create the display screen, and I will make a variable in which I will put the function for making the game window. And 800 pixel wide and 700 pixels high. And then I will name the game window pygame dot display dot set caption. I'm giving the name to be image for now. And now we will create the while true loop for until we quit the Pygame library or the game window. We have to keep running the game window while true for event in pygame dot event dot get. So this will check for events, and if event dot type equals pygame dot quit, so we have to quit the Pygame library and we have to exit from the system also. And we have to update the game screen. Now after we have done this, now we need to know the how to upload images, and we can do it by we will use a function called as pygame dot image dot load and brackets and quotes. So image.load function will load any image we want, and to load the image we want the full path name, and we will go in the folder and then we will copy the path name from here, and then we will see the picture we want to upload, for example background.png. So now I will paste the path name, and after the path name ends, we in quotes only, I will type the slash and the image name. So after the full path name, I also have to type the image name or the image won't load, and we can store this function in image variable. And now if I want to, now let's run it. So you see that there is no image, and this is because we didn't tell the image to load where on the screen, like where on the x-axis and y-axis. And for that we will use a blit function, and we will write screen dot blit. Now the screen is this display the game window, and this blit function will tell the image to load where on the x and y coordinates. And I want to blit which image? This one, the variable this. So I will write the variable's name image, and then I will type the x and y coordinates. So how do x and y coordinates work? I will tell you this. So when we have a game window, the x and y coordinates start from this top left hand side screen. So here. So whenever the x coordinate which is going the right side, and the y coordinate which is going down. Whenever the x coordinate increases, the width also increases, and whenever the y coordinate or the height increases, the height also increases. For example, here we have set the width to be 800. So the point will start here, and the x coordinate will go from here and here and here until it reaches the 800 pixels here. And we have given the height to be 700, so the y coordinate will go from 0 to 700. So this is the initial point or the starting point, and the value here of x and y coordinates is 0. So we can say 0 comma 0 is the initial point of any game window. So now we want the image to start at which point. For example, I give 0 comma 0. So now if I have given 0 comma 0, the image will start here, and according to the image's height, it will settle there. So if we run it, the image is starting here, and if we can see that this image's height is not so big, so it cannot cover the whole screen, but it's okay. We now if I want to push this, I will push this 2 points to here, for example in the middle. So first we'll go by width. So if I want to get it somewhere here, I have to push it 100 or 200 pixels wide. For example 200. So you can see that the image is pushed 200 pixels wide, and the y coordinate is still starting from here only. And a little bit we have to move it. We can give 240 instead of 200, and you can see the image is almost in the center. Now if I want the image to be in the center from the length also, I have to move it a little bit, like 100 pixels, so that it can be in the center. So now you can see the image is in the center, and this is how we can upload images. Now we can upload more images like this. For example, let's go in the folder, and then for example I want to upload this bird.png. I will copy the path name, and then I will again make it pygame.image.load, and I will paste the path name, and then I will type the image's name after the slash, which is bird.png. And then I have to blit it again, and I have to blit it in the screen, which is the game window. And then, and which image I have to blit? I have to first give it the name. For example, I am giving this image name bird, and I have to blit, I have to blit the bird image, bird, comma, and the x and y coordinates. For example, 0, 0. Let's run it again. And now we can see the bird is also seen here, but it is very small. So let's try to push it. I will get the same coordinates as here and see if it's in the center of the background. So no, it's not in the center because I have to push it almost 100 pixels more wide and 200 pixels. So you can see the bird has gone 2 down, and I will give it 350 only for this. And then so the bird is almost in the center and it's looking like the flappy bird game. So this is how you can load images and put them wherever you want on the screen. So that is this much for today. If you liked my video, please give a like, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Happy coding. Bye.